This is Alex Kreider with the Sewer and Drain. We're at 970-485-1741. We are at 0266 Dexter Circle up on 7 in Breckenridge. There's some debate as to the actual correct address of this, but that's the one we're going with. We've cambered in after a whole bunch of jetting and snaking to get this opened up enough to where it'll flow from a clean-out in a 3-inch ABS stack in a utility closet in the basement of this house. And we are out approximately 95 feet. It says 92.5. We're out just a little further than that. We're more like 93. Anyway, what we're looking at is a separation in this sewer service. We're in the 4-inch service. I believe the bend you see in the distance, and it looks like it goes to SDR 35 there. It looks like it goes to Green Pipe down there in the distance. But that's a bend down there. I believe that's a bend down to the main. And we're, 4 or 5 feet short of that. But where we are is kind of a massive separation. We spent a lot of time getting this to finally open up. And you can see the pipe we're in. The pipe just ends. You see a little bit of rubber coupling beyond it. And then we're into an open cavity in the ground. And the pipe we should be going on to extending beyond that. This is out in the area just towards the edge of the street. We've located this spot. We're going to pull back from here and show a couple other trouble spots in this line. So here we have what was a clean out. We're unable to locate the top of this clean out. You see that the fitting here at the bottom is smashed, and the bottom of the pipe is to the bottom of the screen at the moment. And you'll see, if you look at the crack in that fitting, it's a crack that to me, I don't know, something happened here. A bunch of force was applied to this pipe, one way or the other. Almost looks like it went up somehow. But, or else the upstream portion of the line got pushed down. I'm not sure, but all the damage is below this. But, anyway, that's the fitting for the clean out. That's broken. And then here, at the end of that fitting, junction with the next pipe, that's failed joint there and separated. And I don't know if this is part of the same deal or not. We got that. In this area we saw a minute ago. So we had root intrusion in both these areas. Not terrible, but significant roots, maybe up to maybe an 8-inch diameter, the largest ones. I would say not inconsistent with a year to 2 years of growth, which is right in the time frame that the homeowner is informing me that a bunch of work was done out in the road, and they had the end of his driveway tore up for some work they were doing in the road. So I wouldn't be surprised if this is part of that episode, if this is a repair that was made at that time that's failed, or if it was a coupling that was in there from a previous repair that got pushed apart from some equipment running over it. We're going to pull back. And here's our clean out with broken pipe and fittings there. We're going to pull back about 20 feet back from here, 25 feet back from here. Show one other thing. Okay, right here, this is not quite separated. This is a prior repair made with a rubber coupling. and the downstream pipe has sunk a little bit relative to the upstream pipe. I'm going to recommend that when this is dug up and repaired, come back to this point and replace everything from here on out to the saddle at the main. Again, Alex Kreider with Ace Sewer and Drain. We're at 970-485-1741, and this is 0266 Protector Circle. Today is Tuesday, December 7th, 2010. Call me